now we would understand what are the mega trends that are affecting the sales managements. So sales managers usually need to adapt to the three mega trends that are to enhance the effectiveness and efficiency. So the first one is behavioral forces, second one is technological forces, and third one is managerial forces. So these are the three mega trends that are happening at this point of time. Let's understand them one by one. So the behavioral megatrends which are affecting the sales management are buyers' attitude, preferences, and behaviors are changing. So which is necessitating that our sales strategies and approaches are different as well. So what are the changes in buyers' attitude and performance? If we look at, the buyers are getting more expert and demanding. Why they are getting more expert? Because they know what they want. They are getting a lot of information. There are tons of information available. They have choices to make. There are different alternative products there, and they are able to demand a lot more, because the suppliers, the inventory of hotels in the vicinity, in your competition, is continue to increase. So this makes the buyer a bit more informed and challenged and demanding. So we are in unprecedented, and especially during after the COVID-19 lockdown opens up, a lot of inventory will be available there, which will make the buyers even more demanding, because they would not demand only on the price but also on the safety and security of themselves. Customer expectations are continue to rise. We have been innovating. We have been innovative continue to be innovative. So the customer expectations all around the industries are continue to increase. They want more and more faster services, efficient services, personalized services, while using the technology as well. So we need to be environmentally sustainable. We need to be economic sustained. We need to be socially responsible as well towards the environment, towards the community. These are the changing customer expectations from the hotels, not just the comfortable stay, but it has to be socially responsible business as well. The segmentation of the domestic markets is happening at the moment. So even in the domestic markets, you are seeing different customer segments, changing economic status of the guest. They are now more middle class is upbringing. They have higher disposable income, so the travel pattern are continue to increase. So there are a lot of customer new segments which are also impacting. Power of the giant retailers, and in that case for us it would be more on the aggregators. The power of aggregators is continue to increase. The OTAs are defining how we are selling the business, what kind of promotions we are running. The Booking.com, Agoda, Expedia, they are major retailers. So they buy a lot of inventory from us, and then they sell to the end customer. The customer also are going towards them because they can see the reviews of other properties. So if the hotel's website does not have enough content, does not have good pictures, does not have reviews, the peoples are mostly going towards the review websites, so that they can check what the other customers are saying. They can book directly there, and then they may also be able to get the promotional prices and the other loyalty points that the aggregators are offering them. Empowerment of the customer is happening because of the changing conditions. Globalization of market is happening, so there are a lot of new hotels are coming, new brands are coming, new chains are coming up. People from a different type of different geographies are coming to travel to the hotel. So it's very difficult to focus on one geographic market. You may not be able to serve one particular all the geographical markets at one time, because the requirements, the changes are different. Among Asians, Chinese and Japanese may not want to stay in the similar rooms. Africans, Europeans may not demand the same things. So there are multiple increasing demand or changing demographics of the travelers which is impacting the sales strategies, and also the product and services which we offer.